Hello everyone, this is Pauline Angel from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, KARUNYA. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a temperature control system for DC motor using temperature sensor with Arduino. For this, I am using an online simulator called Tinkercad. So let me show you how to do this. I have already connected this circuit. So let me explain you how I did it. First, I placed an Arduino here, and then I took a temperature sensor and I placed it here, and then I took a DC motor and also an LED. So this LED will act as a indicator or a display that shows us the output. So let me explain you the connections. So I connected the temperature sensor pins, which are 3 pins. One is power, V out, that is volt out, and the last one is ground. So I connected the ground of the temperature sensor to the ground of the Arduino here, and then I connected the V out here to the analog pin of Arduino here. This will be connected to the V out pin, and then the power, finally I connected it to the 5 volt here on the Arduino. And after that, the connections for the DC motor, I connected terminal 1 to this pin charge, 4-pin charge on the Arduino, digital pin charge here. We can connect to any other pin. I have connected it to the 4-pin charge here. So the other terminal 2, will be connected to the ground of the Arduino here, this one. And then finally this RGB light, I connected this terminal 2, which is actually the cathode terminal. So I took a resistor here, and first I connected this terminal to the resistor, and then this resistor is ultimately connected to the ground of the Arduino here. And then rest the following, the red, blue and green terminals will be connected respectively to different pin charges on the Arduino. I connected this red pin charge here to the 11 pin charge here on the Arduino, and then the blue pin is connected to the blue 12 pin charge to the Arduino, and then finally the green pin is connected to the 8 pin charge on the Arduino here. So this is how we construct this circuit. So coming to the code part, it's quite easy to do the coding. So let me just explain you how I did that. So first I created a variable called temperature. See, I have used a variable called temperature. So I created this temperature variable, and then I used this set pin command here, and then I place this temperature variable. And then for the input, since we connected the sensor to the A3 pin on the Arduino, analog pin A3, so I place this input of A3 pin here, and then I since we can see the readings which we are giving, the temperature reading on the serial monitor, I place this output command called print to serial monitor, and then place this temperature variable. And then since we need to see the output according to the RGB light, RGB light gives us a clear understanding of whenever the temperature is high, a particular color will be glown. If the temperature is low, another color will be glown. So to give us a clear information, this RGB light will be used. So I place that RGB there. So for that I am using these conditions, if and else conditions. So since a DC motor is connected in between, DC motor pin we have connected to the 4-pin charge on the Arduino, digital pin 4-pin charge. So first I place this 4-pin charge here, So before that, I have used this condition if else, and I place this temperature. So whenever this temperature is greater than 40, this DC motor will get activated, and after that this pin charge which is connected to the RGB will be getting indicated. So whenever the temperature is greater than 40, then DC motor will get activated, and after that this 13 pin charge which is actually connected to the red pin in the RGB, it will start glowing. If it is if the temperature is between 40 to 25, then blue will glow, and if it's less than 25, if the temperature is less than 25, then finally the green pin will be glown. So this is a simple code. So after coding, we can see how it works. So let's just see how it works. I'll start simulation. So see, the green LED is glowing, green light is glowing. So let's see why green light is glowing here. See, the serial monitor is indicating 24 degrees Celsius. So the temperature here in the sensor might be 24 degrees. So it is showing 24 here. So since we have given this condition that whenever the temperature is less than 25, this green color LED will be glown. So that's why since the temperature is 24, which is less than 25, this green light is glowing. So let us change this temperature and see. Here in the temperature sensor I'm changing. See, now I changed it to the 35 degrees Celsius. Since it is between 25 to 40 degrees Celsius, we have connected it to the blue pin charge, so it is indicating blue color on the LED. So if I change even more, see, now I have given more than 40 degrees Celsius. So whenever the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, we have given the condition so that red color light will be glown. So since we have given that red pin charge to the LED, so whenever this temperature is glowing, the temperature, whenever the temperature is greater than 40 degrees, then a red color LED will be glown. So let us see. See, we have given this temperature. If it is greater than 40 degrees, red LED will be glown. So since it's indicating 57 degrees Celsius here, it is greater than 40. So this red LED will be glowing. So this is how we can construct this circuit to show the temperature sensor. We have built this temperature system for the DC motor using temperature sensor with an Arduino. I hope you understood this well, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.